Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sindhura Narayana and I am Director at the Narayana Group.
Hello everyone, I'm Puneet Kothapa, Director at the Narayana Group.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharni Narayana and I'm Director at the Narayana Group.
At Narayana, we are committed to revolutionizing education and staying ahead of the curve in a world that's constantly evolving. That's why I'm so excited to introduce you to our newest initiative, the Narayana Apex Program. This isn't just another academic course. It's a meticulously crafted 2-year program exclusively designed for students in grades 11 and 12.
Whether you're aiming to ace your CBSE or state board exams or crack national level competitions like JEE and NEET, Apex is your ultimate launchpad to success.
You must be wondering, what makes Apex unique? Well, it starts with you. We celebrate every student's individuality. Each learner's strengths, areas for growth, and aspirations are our priorities.
With personalized learning strategies, we are here to guide you every step of the way. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure takes learning to the next level. Imagine immersive digital classrooms, innovative computer labs, and a curated virtual library to support your academic goals.
And let's not forget, we integrate cutting-edge technology like customized lesson plans and assessments and hybrid learning models to ensure smarter, more effective learning.
What excites me most about this initiative is that we're not just about academics. It's about shaping well-rounded individuals. From mental wellness programs to career planning, we focus on your holistic development.
Unlike traditional academic programs for 11th and 12th grades, the Apex program creates space for you to pursue sports and other hobbies, ensuring a balanced and enriching educational experience. Here's a question for you. What does success mean to you? Is it cracking JEE, NEET, or international Olympiads? Is it getting into IIT, NIT, IIIT, AIMS, or JIPMA?
At Narayana, we know success is personal. That's why our tailored curriculum helps you navigate your unique journey with expert guidance and proven strategies to achieve your goals.
And parents, we haven't forgotten about you. We believe in a parents-first approach with tools like NConnect and regular parent-faculty meetings. We keep you informed and involved at every step of your child's progress. Your child's success is our shared goal. Together, let's unlock
Your child's potential,
build unshakable confidence,
and thrive in this ever-evolving competitive world. The journey begins here.
Are you ready to rise to the apex?